at the museum. Oh, if you ever noticed, yes, I've got my hat and a cigar. Now, y'all didn't think I was gonna come to the DR and not get a cigar. It's only right. So we hope you guys enjoyed that. That was called the Amber Mine Museum. We actually, you hear the bottles clinging. I'm just saying, you can't come through here without getting one of these. Stay tuned.
How are you? Good?
Oh yeah.
All the side here is chocolate. The left side is the coffee. You like coffee or chocolate?
Amazing smell. Chocolate.
The first flower from the plant. After that, the clone flower every year from 20 to 30 years. From the flower to the coffee beans takes 7 to 9 months, depending on the altitude. Then after that, the harvest begins for 3 months. Every week, the farmer will pick out the cherry that are ripe and ripe. Family.
Family. For you,
Chocolate.
You see, that's mahogany wood. Over than 100 years, mahogany. You know where you see? That's mahogany. A little more than 100, no. 1946, we have an earthquake. 1946, 7.2. The church was pulled down for completely. And 10 years ago, we have another one.
What's with you? Oh, I'm tired. Stop it!
You know what's up? City Hall.
The yellow building?
Yeah, many people do walk around in the morning, but they don't do nothing and they get paid. I
Wow.
don't know how they get paid.
Yes. He said that's City Hall right
Here's the
there.
statue over there. There, we have a music band every Sunday from 8 o'clock to 11.
Puerto Plata City, o sea que te autoriza a mirar la lengua, vienen de Estados Unidos y lo gratis ahora es que no se queden dominicanas, se quedan después de la 1, viene la 2, Puerto Plata, los tiene todos. Supiste que cuando el hombre está jodido ni la familia lo quiere, bendiciones, qué bonito.
Oh,
Beautiful night.
Oh, I love it.
Yes.
See, like this part over here in the boulevard, that's where the old rich people used to live in. So, but the people getting age, you know, so they move close to the leave it ahead, they move ahead.
Is that a statue out there?
Neptune.
Neptune. Okay.
Yeah. That's where the people hang out. The gym from the rich people over here to keep in shape, you know.
Yeah. Wow.
So that's the house around where the rich people live, and you can see that different. See what those girls selling here, the Haitian lady selling avocado. Yeah.
That's a beautiful mountain. Here you have to have the headphone set that they're going to give you at the museum. And you have to listen to the museum tour guide, I guess. So stay tuned. I know if you enjoyed this video, there will be no sound on this part. Enjoy, people.
You can continue over there. File, sir. Inside, sorry, no video.
1, 2, 3, fire!
Look snorkeling.
People like to plant other things in the house, you see, like other fruit. Because the good thing is here, we grow everything. We grow the vegetable, all kind of.
That's what it is.
We can do the mansion like that.
They can afford it.
See, yeah.
Good gracious.
So most of the people live around here, they doctor, lawyer, you know, they're real professional. And Latin America at the same time live right here too.
Because the dollar goes a long way here, obviously.
Yeah, the American love this spot right here because right here, you know, like you getting on, you get.
Look at that.
Want to have a picture in here?
Oh, yes.
You go ahead and take a picture.
All right, guys, what better view can you have than this right here? I want y'all to understand this. This is so beautiful. The whole city. You can't get no better than this, man. I mean, it's just beautiful. You can see how beautiful the city is. Can't explain it. Go back to that B-roll.
Cuántos años ya perdí la cuenta. A veces siento que ahora soy de piedra, pues bajo mis heridas me escondí y poco a poco me perdí.
If an American like gets in trouble here, does something.
Prison.
I'm so crazy. I wouldn't even think.
It's cool for the kids, you know.
Kind of y'all big on baseball down here, right?
Yeah, that's the main sport right here, baseball.
The uniforms. Don't hit the kids.
Oh.
Yeah.
See?
Cuántos años ya perdí la cuenta. A veces siento que ahora soy de piedra, pues bajo mis heridas me escondí y poco a poco me perdí. Me perdí dentro de mi propia fuerza, esa que tal vez confundes con indiferencia.
All right, guys, we hope y'all enjoyed that video. We are headed back to the ship. We had a blast. The tour was amazing. So we hope y'all had a blast training with the Puerto Plata. Now it's time to get back to the ship. Next trip, San Juan.